Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix business insurance with Nationwide step by step clearly. To fix your business insurance with Nationwide, start by gathering all necessary documents. This includes your existing policy documents, business financial statements, and any previous claims. Next, visit the Nationwide website or contact your local agent. Log into your account if you already have one, or create a new account if necessary. Once logged in, navigate to the insurance section. Review your current coverage details thoroughly. Identify any gaps or areas where improvements are needed. If you're unsure, use the provided resources for guidance on coverage options. Consider the specific risks associated with your business type. To adjust your policy, look for the Modify Coverage option. Select any additional coverage you believe may be beneficial. You may also want to adjust your deductible based on your financial situation. After making changes, review the updated policy terms and coverage limits. If everything looks correct, proceed to the payment section. Choose your payment method and ensure all financial information is accurate. Before finalizing, read through the new policy and terms carefully. Once satisfied, confirm the changes to your policy. You should receive a confirmation email regarding your updated insurance. For any further questions, reach out to your Nationwide agent for assistance. Make sure to keep a copy of your updated policy for your records. Regularly review your business insurance to ensure it meets your needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.